Hi guys, so today I have a few things. I have like 5 pairs of Lulus. They're mostly all Luxtreme or New Lux. So I have some Invigorate 25" in cassis. So these are Luxtreme, or maybe Everlux. These are Everlux. They do have side pockets. They do have a draw cord on the front. Really cute on. These are Wunder in dark olive. These have the draw cord. These are Luxtreme. These are New Lux. These are the fast and free ice wash hazel green, which I absolutely love this color. It's such a pretty color, and it's not too much and it's not too little, so one of my favorite colors. This is another one of my favorite colors. These are the newer Wunder in water drop. Super popular color. These are actually 28" and these are Everlux as well. And then lastly, I have some high-rise Wunder under 25 in Luxtreme. These are grape thistle, I believe, or Arctic plum. I'm not positive which one, but 25". Okay, so these are the Invigorate 25" in cassis. They do have the side pockets. They are high-rise with a draw cord. They are Everlux. They are squat proof. Super cute on. Very easy to wear. They're very comfy on. Really cute. Okay, so these are the Wunder in 25", and I believe these are dark olive. These are Everlux. Super nice that they have a draw cord. Great for high intensity workouts or other workouts. Squat proof. Really nice. Okay, so these are the ones that I love the color. These are the fast and free 25" in hazel green. They're very flattering on. These are New Lux material. They are squat proof. Side pockets, draw cord. Love this color. It's really nice and flattering. Okay, so these are the Wunder in 28". I love this color blue. It's called water drop. It's very popular. It's similar to like the brilliant blue and all those popular purplish blue colors. These are really cute on. They're great for high intensity. They are squat proof. Really pretty. Okay, so these are the Wunder under Luxtreme in 25". I'm almost positive these are grape thistle, but they could be Arctic plum. Luxtreme material, squat proof. Really good for any kind of exercise or just going out. Okay guys, so that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, follow me on Instagram if you can. It's @BeccaBout. I have a Facebook group called Lululemon Addicts and a Facebook page called BeccaBout Apparel. I also sell on Mercari. If you're interested in that, you can look me up on there. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.